Bitcoin is about to make a very large move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. Now, in the previous video, I did mention that we would possibly be looking to retest the 21.7 level, and that is exactly what happened. And this is the reason why I mentioned it, right? Over here, you can see there was quite a bit of resistance, but this specific wick was the one I was paying attention to, right? I did mention that this wick would become very important, just like we saw over on Ethereum, and that level should be tested. That is exactly what happened. We were almost to the exact amount and then rejected below support once again. So currently it looks like Bitcoin is consolidating around this level. Now there looks to be some exhaustion from the bulls once again. We did have a massive 10% move, so I do think that there obviously will be a move towards the downside. Now whether or not it'll happen right now or it'll happen above here, that's a question we're going to play, right? So first things first, we can see that we did break above the support level at around the 21.5 level, and again struggling to break above this white line of the 21.7. We can see that we did previously try to break that level multiple times but failed. So this is a major level for Bitcoin, right? If we can break past this level, then the next support level would be around the 22, if not the 23k mark. In my opinion, I do think that Bitcoin possibly may see a huge wick to the upside before coming back down, right? Now we can look at it from this perspective. The other perspective is, again, I mentioned yesterday that this is a BART formation, right? Now whether or not this BART formation will continue and then come down, that's the real question, right? We can see this BART formation happen previously over here too, right? Right around the 23k level, we saw this massive move on the 20k all the way up to the 24k. A lot of people kind of got caught out in this level, right? They had this move and they're like, okay, well, it should break down below once more and complete the BART. But instead, Bitcoin actually retested that support, had this huge move, and then the BART completed over here, right? So whether or not we can do the same thing again is the real question. This, for now, is still, like I said, a BART move where you just have candlesticks going up and up and up. There's no consolidation. This isn't a healthy move on Bitcoin, right? This is what we call a short squeeze, where over-leveraged shorts were kind of being played. And again, now we are seeing this sort of consolidation. What we might see is a move like this and then a move down, or we can continue pushing higher and then coming back down, right? That's going to be the interesting play. Obviously, it is the weekend. Now, if we go over to the lower time frames, we can have a look at it from there and have a look and see what Bitcoin's doing. Currently, Bitcoin is rejecting the resistance level over here, and it is a clean rejection, right? We can see that we did have this bearish candlestick, and now it looks like we have the follow-up on the hourly. Now, guys, you have to pay really close attention to this level over here at 21.5. Whether or not we can break this level will be the question. If we do break this level, I do see the support at 20.7 being retested and then a move to the upside. In my opinion, if Bitcoin just continues to push upside without any sort of correction, that is extremely bearish. There has to be some sort of correction before we continue moving higher. I know a lot of people right now are saying, okay, we're going to go straight to 23,000. But guys, please be careful and try not to get caught in the noise, right? Right now, Bitcoin is looking good for long positions, but you also don't want to get caught out and have that massive move to the upside like you kind of had over here, right? We hit that 20.7 level and then went up to almost 22,000 before everyone started saying, okay, we're going to go right back to 23, and then we had this huge waterfall effect. So you don't want to get caught out like that, so just make sure you guys aren't over leveraging your positions and just wait for confirmation. I would be looking for a long position, like I said, something like this. If it could play out, that would be healthy, or we can see a move to the downside. But if this level is broken, guys, at 20.7, please remember, if 20.7 is broken, we will have a waterfall effect right back down to the 19.5. Then we may see a bounce to the upside. We can see that previously here quite a bit, that Bitcoin did make some quite large moves, right? We had this huge move up all the way to 22,000, retested around the 19.5 and 18,000, and then continued higher. We can definitely do the same thing once more. But that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. And thank you again for 700 subscribers. That is amazing. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.